Okay guys, here is free-range chickens. If you're lucky enough to get free-range chicken eggs, it's high in omega-3s. They're orange. They're not like what you get at the market. They're high. They have a high nutritional value because the birds are able to free range. They're able to get the nutrition from the greens. There's nothing like eating greens for the nutritional, to add that nutrients that's needed for us humans. And the sun is bright today, so I am having trouble seeing as I am filming, so I don't know what shape this is going to be. But there they are. They can go out, they can do their thing. One's on top of a flatbed truck over here, sitting and sunning himself. They get that fresh air, they get the sunshine, and they get the nutrients from the soil, the variety of weeds and plants and stuff that they need to have a well-balanced diet. Then they go in, they lay their eggs, and let's see if I can get in closer, and I can't really see if I'm even moving this closer. And there is the mobile homes. There's 2 mobile homes there, and there's steps that go up to these mobile homes. So they just go in and out whenever they decide they want to lay an egg. They just go on in there. They're going in there, some of them, one at a time up those steps to go do their thing, maybe get warm. Pretty cool. Okay guys, here is the free range chickens. And that's what you want. You want free range chicken eggs, if you're lucky enough to get them. What do we got up in there? What's that? Well, there's a big chicken going there. Okay, here is the laying chickens. Check out this chicken house. They have, it's like a hoop house, and they have where they get sunshine. Don't you guys? You get sunshine? Well, LP said these are laying chickens, and let me tell you, they should be a Guinness World Record, because these looks like roosters to me, but what do I know? Are you roosters? I thought the roosters had the combs. So I would say, hi sweetheart, what are you doing in there? You garden things. Oh, you garden things. So I say that, yeah, there is the laying boxes, and they can have sunshine while they're laying their eggs, and they can have fresh air. Now how cool is that? Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Is that pretty cool? I can't half see. Where are you? Are you in here? I can't see. I know, because I can't see because of the sunshine. Oh, I know. I can't see. I know your garden things. I know. See, I'm not going to put up with this all day long. And I can't see if I'm getting you. There you are. I'm getting you now. You're on camera now. You sure? Yeah, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just looking. But I would like some eggs, if you don't mind. Could I have some eggs? Okay, so the roosters got the combs. That's all I know. I know nothing about farm animals. And somewhere in here is the laying hens. Okay, LP's yelling. Again, this building here has the panels that come up, hinged panels. I don't want to get in too close and scare them. And they're right there. They're getting fresh air and they're getting sunshine. Very cool concept that I don't really think that many have adopted yet. Now they're all running. After I left that area over there, they all went running to get some of that sunshine. See, the animals and humans, we need that sunshine. And they're just plain healthier birds because of it. Okay, here's a whole bunch more in here. And they've got some real sunshine. And they got a mobile jobby. And I hope that this is a wave of the future, guys. And the factory farming will be obsolete. And they'll go to giving their little critters some sunshine. Hi, sweethearts. It would be a wonderful thing if they would be treated in a humane way where they get sun, free range, healthy looking birds. And a mobile unit like this where they can graze. See, right now it's getting cold weather, so they're up on a flat.
When they're real young like that, then they put them on the hoop house after they get so big.
Okay. LP said they raise them in this till they get bigger, and then they put them in the hoop houses. And hopefully, like I say, this will be the wave of the future, because people that care about animals want them respected and treated in a humane way. Boy, they got it all here. They got the ducks and the whole 9 yards, don't they? Hmm? This out. Oh, you're used to me now, aren't you? You come over here to coo. Did you come over to coo? Oh, you were such a pretty baby. Yes, you are. Oh, I hear you. What they do? Coo time. Somebody's got a piece of greenery there. And they're fighting over it over in this corner. I hear you. Yes, I do. Now that's really funny. Now that goose is not quarreling, not complaining, nothing, because the first time I come back here was just a little bit ago without my camera. He was carrying on and just having a fit. But now he knows that I'm not going to hurt these babies. And since I'm not a farmer, I'm not really sure what these are. I don't know if these are little chicks, turkey babies. Who knows? But they're cute. I would make them pets. That's all. I would make them pets. And I have turned mostly 99 and 9/10 vegetarian. So, what's wrong, guys? Oh, you know what? They see the shadow of LP coming there. And that's what drove them over to the other side. They saw this big giant walking along there, and they saw the shadow. And they went running. But they got a little area over here to the left where they get their water. And they just peck on those little jobbies and get themselves some fresh water coming out of that pipe. That's pretty cool. And then over here they're going to go back to their munching. And then when I talked to them, they came running. And that's why that goose, he's not quarreling. He just knows that I am not going to hurt these babies. And he's just as quiet as he can be. Hi guys, what you doing? What are you doing, huh? You're not into the factory farming. Praise the Lord for that, huh? You're not into the factory farming. You got halfway decent living conditions, don't you? Yes, you do. You've got cover. You've got food and water. You've got areas to run. You got your beak. You didn't have your beak chopped off. No, sirree. You got things good. Just one right here looking eyeball. But the amazing thing is that goose. And I was going to film him, but he's really laid back now. Well, guys, that's it. These chickens have got it pretty good in comparison to factory farm chickens. They have sawdust down there, and the ones on over there is doing their little scratch and peck, you know. So I'm going to go over here to the other. What you doing? There's that goose. Oh, he's so sweet. He really was quarreling with us when we were looking around the first time. But I wish I could get in closer. I can't. But now he's used to us being here, so we'll see if he'll come back out when I go around to the other side.